moment, but what I have noticed is that the intensity in which a message is delivered is often explosive, divisive, volatile. It's often received like a plate served with fire. I've spent so much time just relearning how to smile. My father would say, I wear a frown so people won't fuck with me. I adopted that philosophy immediately after a stranger took advantage of me. Oh, but to have understood opportunity cost, the opportunities of genuine friendship lost. I work well alone, but I long for a co-writer of these songs. Or maybe even an executive producer who doesn't see the vision, but he can guide it honestly. You see, me by me in a capitalistic society means I should be obtained for cheap. And because I now know better, I'm playing for keeps. I keep my observations to save you from being paranoid. I save my opinions to say gainfully employed. I feel a change.